Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to show you this homecoming look that I created for you guys. If you are headed to homecoming for, I didn't have homecoming in college, but if you have homecoming in high school, college, and you're looking for a makeup look to recreate, here you go, a gift from me. This simple homecoming look, super glam, super easy. So if you're interested in learning how I did it, then keep on watching. All right, so first for foundation, I'm going to take our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. I always put too much foundation on my face, so I have changed up the way I put on foundation. I'll put it on the back of my hand and like use the tiniest bit at a time so I don't go overboard. And just press this into my skin. Also, question, are you guys sponge people or brush people? I change it up all the time. It's so strange. Like, I'll be so loyal to my sponge and then randomly I'll just get into brushes and only use brushes. I think it's because I'm too lazy to go to the sink, maybe? All right, Foundation Lip City. I'm going to pop in some earrings now because I forgot to put earrings in. All right, next up, you already know what it is. For concealer, I'm taking our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. This concealer really is like nothing else. I don't think I could ever, you know when you find a holy grail product and you're kind of upset about it because you're like, I love trying new things, but like I found the one. This is it. I will sometimes break and try other concealers or whatever, but this will always be the one. All right, now I'm gonna take our Shape Tape setting powder and set my under eye. And I like to press it into the under eye because this also blurs and fills in your pores. So I like to press it in there and get the maximum blurage. I'm gonna wipe off these foundation lips because that ain't cute. You ever feel like your teeth are loose? God. All right, next for contour, I'm gonna take the shade Angle right here from our Park Ave Princess Bronzer Bar. Park Ave Princess Bronzer Bar. And apply that to my cheekbones. And apply that to my cheekbones and my forehead and everywhere that I need to contour. I'm gonna take our exposed highlight you know what? I'm gonna put a tiny bit of blush on, just the tiniest. I'm gonna take our blush in the shade Glisten, which has some gold flecks in it to kind of mesh into the exposed. So I'm just a little more sun-kissed. Now for brows, I'm gonna take our Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse in the shade Medium Brown because I've also been loving bold brows. Bada bing, bada brow. Take a look at my girlfriend. Also, you can see my like half shoulder situation, I hope. It's like a, yeah. I'm gonna take our Tartelette and Bloom palette and I'm gonna first buff the shade Sweetheart into the crease. And then I'm gonna take Rebel and put it in like the deeper crease slash outer V. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of leader out there as well. And then I'm gonna use a chrome paint shadow pot for the lid. Let's do this. All right, so now I'm gonna take our chrome paint shadow pot in the shade Sun Drenched on my finger and apply that all over the lid and kind of bring it up to fake a cut crease. Then we'll blend everything out. And just really on the inner half of the eye because we're gonna go back in with darker shadow on the outer half. And then take that shade Leader right here and put that on the outer. God, I'm so hoarse. Anyone else just use themselves as a human easel? Because I do, that's why I have man hands, I'm sure. Okay, so I'm gonna take a mix of Rebel and Leader right here and buff that onto the lower lash line, but just on the outside. Just on the outside. All right, now we're gonna wing it. We're gonna frickin' wing it. So, oldie but a goodie, I've been using our Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner. I just feel like for a girl like me who isn't very talented at wing liner, it's so easy. Now just do the same exact thing on the other eye. Good luck. I'm gonna pop some lashes on. These are our new lashes in the style Heartbreaker. They're so cute. Okay, so once this little lash here is dried down, pretty much, you're gonna pop it on your eyeball. Boom, roasted. Boom, roasted again. For lips, I'm just gonna use a gloss. This is our H2O gloss in the shade Sandy Toes. This is my final homecoming look. If you want to look super glam on the dance floor, have your milkshake bring all the boys to the yard, then here it is, your homecoming look. Comment down below if you guys are going to homecoming or if you did go to homecoming, your funniest homecoming story, anything about homecoming, comment down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye. Did I do an outro? Did I do an outro? Yeah, I did. I don't want to clean up, I don't want to clean up. I don't want to clean my mess up. We're done here.